Wow, Google released the brand new Chromebook replacement, the Google Books. How are they? They're AI slop. They're just AI slop. Okay, Gemini intelligence. In fact, the entire I/O event was literally nothing but Gemini intelligence this, Gemini intelligence that, Gemini intelligence everything. It's like Google is trying to become the next Microsoft, I guess. They're trying to make Android an agentic operating system. Seriously, okay? They're trying to make Android like Windows, okay? That's really unacceptable. And Google Books are just Chromebooks with AI, except with like I think they have like this like Android-ish ecosystem in there. That's cool, but like everything, and yeah, they also have that light bar on the laptop that I do enjoy. But otherwise, it was just AI after AI after AI, and I'm so sick of listening to companies yapping about AI. Okay, seriously speaking, my hand just shook from anger after saying that. Holy crap. It would have been okay if they had given an actual good reason to use Gemini intelligence, like they do. Okay, they do give one good example. But the other example that they give is to give your passport information to Gemini, which is I don't think that's safe. But if you want to book your flight, take your passport. It's like a 2-minute process. How is it tedious? Okay, I don't understand that. And second thing, the safety concerns. Okay, I'm reiterating that. And the other example that I talked about that is good is like live translation. Okay, if you don't know what they're saying, you can translate it. That's good, okay? That's a good use of Gemini, okay? Only other thing that I liked in this entire presentation was the fact that you're now getting that 3D building thing on Google Maps with Android Auto now. Earlier it was only an Apple CarPlay feature, but now it's also available on Android Auto, which is a good thing, okay? That's the only good thing. And yeah, the Google Book thing, I'm not even going to talk about it, okay? For all, this presentation just made a big deal about a feature that I don't even think, like, 5 people, like 2 people will use this feature at maximum. The only people who are going to use this feature are the people who are testing this feature, okay? Like reviewers, okay? They're the ones who are going to use this feature. Otherwise, I don't think anyone else will be using that feature. Like, for example, the Chrome Ask Gemini thing, no one's using that, okay? No one's using that feature in Saparin, okay? And I'm actually an AI and ML student, okay? I know how to use AI properly. Yeah, whatever. So did I forget to mention the fact that these Gemini intelligence features on Android are only coming on Samsung and Google devices? Yeah, if you don't have those phones, yeah, you're basically just sticking with Gemini, which I think is a good thing. I mean, just don't buy Samsung or Google phones. Just stick with, like, I don't know, Motorola, I guess, or iPhones. I don't know.